Ready?
Mother. Okay.
And place. Place the boom. Place the boom. Place the boom.
Unboxing gifts.
Hi everyone, this is Sukhpal and what's your name, sir?
Sand.
What's your name?
My dog.
We are today making our first unboxing YouTube video, and my wife and their mummy is the camera person. Hello!
Hello.
Hello, camera person!
Hello.
So today we went to Poundland and spent £4
Yeah.
on 4 toys. Well, toy cars really. So we spent £1 on this blue Porsche.
And we spent
£1.
for this Lamborghini.
It's not really a Lamborghini, it's like an American muscle car, but we'll figure out which one this is. So this initially I thought looked like a Hot Wheels or a Matchbox from far away, but it's a pretty good replica or rip-off with a brand called Maisto. What's the brand called?
My stuff.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to unbox the £1 Roadster police car. So the reason why we bought this is it said metal on here.
And
So
then so that it didn't break.
That's right. Why did we buy metal toys?
Maybe because it don't break.
Oh, great. Okay, so let's see how they go, right? So today the unboxing is going to be done by Daddy. Let's open this, and the boys are going to be experimenting with the cars. We'll make another video where we'll try to smash the cars and see how quickly they break or don't break, but that's for later. 1 second please. You have to open this thing at the bottom first. Wow. Okay, so let me see. So let's check this out. We take a pen and we do the metal test first. That pen doesn't work. Let's do it here. That's metal. This is actually a pretty solid car for £1. Look at this. It's like metal. You can put it on the marble table and you can hear the noise. The
And
wheels,
it
it doesn't break. The wheels are chunky. They're pretty solid. You know, there's a little screw to tighten it from there. And I would say this is a bargain. What do you think? You want to the little one first? You want to test it and see if it's a good car? Check it. Hot parka dekh. So that's Punjabi there for you. Is it good? Now let's open the other one, which I think is going to be
No, I still want that one.
You want that one? Okay, that's going to be of a similar quality. Let's see.
Fire, fire, fire. Fire, tato.
Oh, that's
Fire,
not,
two.
that's
Fire,
a bit
fire,
wrong
fire,
there.
two. Fire,
There
two.
we
Fire,
go.
two. I'm going to fire, 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 fire.
Can I see? Ah! I think we have got a winner here with these two. Now let's unbox the Matchbox Hot Wheels replica £1 toy cars.
Who will win? Wow. I am watching.
Oh wow, this again is metal. Goodbye there, I would say. Ah, lovely Porsche. It's a Porsche, it actually says Porsche 911 Turbo, made in China. That's a great one. What car is this?
Let me see. Made in China.
This is a 2006 Chevrolet Camaro concept. Ah! Chevrolet American muscle car with a
Push.
German Porsche 911 from the 1970s. Great. Thank you. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye.
Bye.